Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove password from Word file to 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to remove password. Go to the File menu, then click Open option and open a password set file, and we can see here show the password, then type password to open this file, then again type same password. Now we can see we open the password protect file, then we go to the file menu, click the protect document, then click mark as final, then click OK, then again click OK and then click save option, then close the file and open file again. Now we open this file and we can see we open this file very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.